LG portable air conditioners offer 5 essential operating modes, each designed for specific cooling and comfort needs. Understanding these modes helps you optimize both comfort and energy efficiency. Cool mode activates the compressor to actively lower room temperature. This is your primary cooling mode for hot days, providing maximum cooling power to reach your desired temperature quickly. Fan mode circulates air without cooling, similar to a regular fan. This mode uses minimal energy while providing air movement for comfort when cooling isn't needed. Dry mode removes excess humidity from the air, making rooms feel more comfortable even at higher temperatures. This mode is perfect for humid conditions when moisture removal is the priority. Energy saver mode cycles the fan with the compressor to reduce power consumption. The fan stops when the target temperature is reached, automatically restarting when cooling is needed again. Sleep mode gradually increases the temperature overnight for optimal comfort and energy savings. This mode adjusts cooling to match your body's natural temperature changes during sleep. The control panel provides intuitive access to all AC functions. Modern LG units feature digital displays showing current settings, temperature readings, and operational status. Temperature controls allow precise adjustment of your desired room temperature. Most LG models support temperature ranges from 59 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit, with 1 degree increments for optimal comfort. Modern LG portable air conditioners integrate smart technology for enhanced convenience. Wi-Fi connectivity enables remote control through the LG ThinQ mobile app, allowing you to monitor and adjust settings from anywhere. Voice control integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant provides hands-free operation. Simply speak commands to adjust temperature, change modes, or turn the unit on and off without touching any controls. Advanced models include AI-powered features that automatically detect room conditions and adjust settings accordingly. These systems learn your preferences over time, optimizing both comfort and energy efficiency without manual intervention. For optimal performance, proper placement of your LG portable air conditioner is essential. Position the unit on a flat, stable surface near both a window and electrical outlet. The exhaust hose connection is critical for proper operation. Connect the flexible hose to the unit's exhaust port, then attach the other end to the window kit to vent hot air outside. Operating your LG portable AC is straightforward. Use the power button to turn the unit on, then select your desired cooling mode, set the target temperature, and adjust fan speed as needed. Regular maintenance ensures optimal performance and longevity. Clean the air filters every 2 weeks by removing them and washing with mild soap and water. Also, check and drain any accumulated condensation. To maximize energy efficiency, close all windows and doors while the AC is running. Use energy-saving modes like sleep mode for nighttime operation, which gradually adjusts temperature for comfort and efficiency. Remember that portable air conditioners generally provide less cooling than window units with the same BTU rating. Choose the appropriate BTU capacity for your room size to ensure efficient cooling performance.